This is page 3 with all the things that you should have. This is for cleaning paving slabs or paving bricks. So put that bit in there and attach this here. Screw it on, I presume. Oh yes. So this is obviously going to revolve round. Right, we've got a handle and we're trying to follow the instructions here, so line up the little, as I haven't, need to take my glasses off. Right, so there's your handle to turn this around. Need to cut that off eventually. Right, and next thing to do is this here. Where does this go? We've got something to wrap your cable around, I think, and that goes on there. And then on the other side, I think it's this. And I'm actually looking at the picture, the large picture, to give me a wee bit of help as to how this goes on. So this one goes that way. Just fits on gently and pushes on like so, and this is to hold your wand in position. Okay, right, what's the next thing to do? Right, we're looking at how the water connection lead goes on here. So you've got this sort of nipple, threaded nipple, so we'll take that off the back, put that in the back pocket, and we'll screw that on. Making sure that it's on the right threads, so it's to be done gently. Oh, not just getting it there, right? Whenever you're threading, you do it gently, and if it doesn't turn round, then you're on the wrong thread. So take it off. In the diagram number 3, just in between the back of the wheels is your nipple connection, and we've got our hose pipe set up, and you just push it on until it clicks. Okay. Water supply hooked in, and this comes through our hose, and you can pull the hose on out and stretch it as far as you need to. The other side connects to the tap, and I haven't connected it to the tap just yet because this reel will go round and round and round and twist this all, and it'll become a real pain, so we don't want that. So I'm trying to put the wand together, and I've just done it there. There's 2 wand connectors. There's this end piece here for a wide spray, and there's this end piece here for a more concentrated spray. So the way to do this, you've got a hole here, you've got these two wings or ears, and these just fit in. Then there's a hole here, you push it on and click it into position so that you've got a complete wand. To get it off, you put the two together and push. Back on this again, there's a complete wand. Not too sure, is this a concentrated spray here, or is this going to be the concentrated spray? There's a plus and minus sign so you can actually twist this round. So we'll see whenever the water comes flying through what kind of spray comes. Right, this is our trigger gun, and you connect up the wand to it. So we're just going to do that now. To push this in, you push the yellow button and push it on in, and there you are, connected. To release it, you'll push the yellow button again and pull out. Okay, so that you've got a waterproof connection here. Right, so there's our water supply. Water coming in here and coming out here, but I need to connect the gun, which I'll do now. Just checking whether it's secure or not there. So I am now officially a stormtrooper. I need to plug our power lead into our power source. Done. So we've got a water supply. This is to put soap in, which I don't think I'll use, and this is our wand for firing the water out. So I've turned on my water supply. I'm turning on my electric supply. I'm turning on the power washer. And we're ready to roll. Really, before you start using your power hose, you do not come out in a jumper and slippers to do this, because you will end up getting soaked. But you can see from that 6 or 7 feet of fascia board that I have worked at for a matter of seconds. It's an awful lot cleaner than the other side. You manipulate this, you turn this around to get maximum power and all the rest of it. So I'll go and change out now into sort of wet weather type gear and carry on.